Hi there, this is the helping video for create the nested element on the Webflow. That's mean you need use this Finsweet attribute for using more than 5 items on the nested, right? That's why we need to use these attributes, right? Here's the script they given on the Finsweet website. There is an attribute section and there is a nested element, right? You need to go there. You can all the guidance and all the attributes and scripts on there, right? This is the script and all the steps on there. I will go with that things and I will explain how to this use under the drop down, right? It's mean you can use that thing on your navigation, or you can use that thing on somewhere on the page. You can use that for the some blog category. Under the blog category there is a lot of blog posts. You can use that things, right? I'm explaining that thing on the Webflow. I use the blank page, right? I use a first page as the home, but you can create some new page on here and you can use that page for the create that nested element, right? Firstly you need to go to the create the CMS. I will firstly doing these things because you need to everything firstly design on the Webflow, right? Firstly in the services, you need to go to the services, create the new collection, and it's something like the services. You can use that the blog post or something, right? There's a list all the blog post and everything, right? In here on the title and detail, everything on there. Also you need to another CMS category. It is the CMS category. I call that the services category, and also there is a multi-reference link, right? It's linked with the services. That's mean when you go to the services category in the example, the service cat 1, there's a list of multi-reference CMS items on there. If we put some lot of item on there, but on the live view, the CMS nested CMS in the Webflow, they show only 5 items plus 5 items, right? I will show how they are showing that things and how we exist then limit and using the Finsweet attribute, right? Okay, I link everything and add everything right on here. Now go there and I'm going to create some section and add container, right? And section I put some space on the top and bottom, then you can it's nicely see on there. Right on here we are going to create the primary CMS collection. This is the primary CMS collection. We use that as the services category. You can see there's a 2 category I created is the dummy content. Okay, then we need to put some div element. I call this as the nested primary title. You can use any CSS class, right? Okay, now I'm going to put the name for this is the link item, right? We use the link item is very needful on the link with, and also on here in this item I think we need to put the get the name out, right? On the name out, right? Okay, now you can see 2 categories on there, right? And also we go into the nested CMS element. I'm selecting that CMS item and go to the add some CMS collection on there, right? You can see 2 collection is coming. I'm going to multi-reference as the services. Okay, now you can see there is a 5 item only, right? But we need there is a more than 5 item, right? We need to show that things, but on the Webflow they only show the 5 items, right? Then let's go how to do that, right? Firstly we need to go to the Finsweet website, and this is the attribute they given. This is a script they given for create the this nested item. right? Then copy that things and go to your page where you need to show that collection, right? Go and on the bottom you can see, you can put that script on the bottom, right? Okay, now we set the stream, then we move to the step 2. Under the step 2 you can see there is a attributes, right, on the list, how to do step by step. Okay, first there in the list, in you can the nested collection list, which list we need to nest, right? Then copy these items and you can see the value on the page. We can see the primary collection. This is the primary collection, this is the secondary collection, right? We go to the primary collection and attribute, at the attribute it is list. Nice. Okay, then I move to again, you can see this is what we do on the primary collection, right? They are showing that with the screenshot you can see that things also. Okay, now we need where we need that yeah, we need to put that nested target element. I want this div in the nested collection. That's mean we need to add, we need to remove these things, right? These things we need to remove because we don't need. We add some div element and you can add some any style on there. I'm nested. Okay, I put like as the nested target, right? Okay, then I know in this element we need to copy that and go there, nested target. This is the point where the CMS collection items appear, right? It's replace this element, right? That's why we need to go to the get the nest target value and back and put that things. Also we need to given the identification for that. Okay, identify the CMS collection. We name is that the services, I think, right? Okay, now it's good. And right now this trace replace with the services CMS collection item, but we need to show the all the elements, all the services from somewhere on the CMS collection. On the in this page we need somewhere we need to put that things on real, right? The CMS collection I added that, right? It is outside or something, right? Anywhere, right? Okay, then we select that as the services. All the services now showing on here, right? And here we need something, right? Here we need text link, right? Definitely we need to its link with the current services and also get the text. Okay, nice. Now you can see all the 20 items on here, right? Different CMS collection. We need to go to next part, this one. It's the net source. I want this CMS collection list as the nested collection list. We create that things now, right? This is the nested collection list. I'm going to copy this attribute, net source, and go here, and here we need to nest source, right? That's mean on here there's a nest target, this element replaced by this list, right? Nest source. Also we need to given the same name what we use on here, services. That's mean the next one you can see these things, right? And then copy and here services. I think both are services, right? Correct. Okay, now they are nest targets. Okay, now it's linked to right current services and get the title, and the nest source and nest services are done, right? But there is a lot of items, all the items on here, but it's not under this category. That's why we need these items, we need it split into the each category. That's why we need something. I think in the next step, the collection template, right? We need to put some CMS collection list, right? Add on the CMS template as the right reference. Here we are doing now on copy this attribute and go to our CMS category page, right? On the category page, there has a reference item, right? I will show you how to create that things. Go here. We can put that on the hidden, right? That's why I add firstly div element. Under that I added CMS collection, and you can see there is a multi-reference selector services. Okay, nice. Now all these category related, all the services you can see on here and also in here, right? And we need to go inside that, we need to add the link. In the link I put there is a title, and also this is linked with the current services page. Okay, now you can see all the things list out here, right? Okay, now everything good. We need to put that attribute. We go to here and copy this, the template reference. I put on here and template reference, copy value and put on here. Okay, and also we need to identify at the on also here the same element. Okay, nice. Okay, we are done on here. And firstly I create the list, only list, then I will show you how to use that things on the drop down, right? Okay, then we will check. I'm going to publish that on the live link. And also very important things, you don't need, you can't hidden these things, because this need to get and showing under this, right? Okay, it's published. I'm going to check that things work. Oh, it's going, but we can't identify, no? Then I think we can add a style on here, right? The CMS element, I'm going here and some style, right? Style item, nested item. I added some space on top and bottom, 10 and add some colors on here. Do you think okay, I think some small space on the item, right? Then you can get idea. And I think this side we need some 20 spacing. Nice. And primary title, I think we need at 20, 10, 20, 20, right? And title, I given some color on here, the dark color, and font size is 16, and the white. Wait, sorry, in the link we need to white color, right? Okay, now we can see this list how to show under this category, right? Yeah, you can see each category there is more than 5 items now, right? Then we will look how to create the drop down using these things. Here you can see the title, right? We don't need to click on that title. Firstly we yeah, I think we need to firstly we put the drop down on here, right? Yeah, on the drop down. In here you can see the title, and it's linked with the current item, right? This title we need it's under the drop down, this menu, and I don't need to show these things hidden, right? I'm going to hidden that display as a none, right? And also this is the this text we need to category title. You can see now drop down. Okay, nested private title. I'm put style on here, nested primary title, the blue color is style, and I would some. Okay, now we don't need these items, right? On the nest target we need to nest target drop down menu, right? On here I remove everything on the drop down list, and this nest target element I will put that things under here. I like add some space among this item, the category item, right? Then I will publish. Okay, now you can after that publish you can see everything under this drop down. You can use that things on your navigation for the categories and other things, right? Then I refresh the site. Yeah, you can see now. Yeah, you can see the categories on the drop down. Yeah, that's the things on the how to use on the CMS nested element on the Finsweet. We will meet on the next video. I will show some guideline for another things, right? Okay, thanks.